STSS stock analysis tomorrow, 3rd of April and onward. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very, very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. With Sharps Technology, I'm still gonna use my strategy that I've used to, you know, to do. I have more videos documented on this YouTube channel than ever with the most proof, with 39,000 videos. And generally speaking, my bias on this, it's obviously not financial advice, but it's still bearish. Not in a very ill way, but it's just like a realistic, natural way. The most likely thing that's about to happen is we're just about to continue clear things out. We've reached the supply zone. So yeah, that's that. You know, it's 3 cents. What else can I do? Well, not much other than wait. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and clean way, and also if you want to stay tuned about STSS, not only that I have so many receipts here in the Discord, which seems like I don't, but there's a free newsletter, first link in the description. Continue to keep you updated, so stay tuned on that newsletter, and I'll see you too.